Hi, I'm Robert. I'm a statistician. I use Stata software a lot and I do a lot of Bayesian analyses. And today I want to take a couple of minutes of your time and show you three good ways you can do Bayesian analyses inside Stata. The Bayes prefix to a standard estimation command, the BayesMH command, and the evaluator option to the BayesMH command. Firstly, the Bayes prefix. If you have a standard estimation command like logit or regress, you can put the Bayes prefix before it, separated by colon. And the Bayes prefix is just in the same way you would use a bisort prefix or a bootstrap prefix in Stata. It's a way of getting Stata to do something different with that estimation command. Here's an example with simple linear regression on the auto data set. It has fairly diffuse priors for the coefficients and the residual variance. And the output shows estimates of the mean of the posterior distribution for each parameter and 95% credible intervals. So with the BayesMH command, we can fit a generic regression model. We use the BayesMH command and then name the dependent variable and then the independent variables. And then after the comma, we supply the likelihood function and the prior densities as options. In this example, again with the auto data set, we are using the residual distribution of data points above and below the fitted line as the likelihood. That's linear regression. The third option is the evaluator or LL evaluator options to the BayesMH command. And this is the most complicated in terms of syntax, but it also gives you the most flexibility. So we can define a program in Stata which is going to evaluate the log likelihood at each iteration of the BayesMH algorithms. The BayesMH command will call that program as it runs through its algorithm each time. Although the syntax of evaluators is harder work than BayesMH or the Bayes prefix, it can easily deal with a very wide range of situations. Flexibility in the evaluator syntax, which is new in Stata 19, exceeds the capability of almost every other Bayesian software option out there. And so if you're interested in Bayes and you know Stata, then you should definitely look into upgrading to Stata 19. Here's the link you need. Now join me next time for another short clip and I'll be talking about the algorithms that run inside Stata's Bayesian functionality.